whose phone is this. I can tell whose picture is this, and I can see the color of the dress also. And if my mom will give any color of suitcase, I will tell that in 1 second. And if my mom will open one thing, and I will tell that also what is in.
All with blindfold?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Clap for Tanisha, everybody.
And I can do all things, but and I without saying if I will do one thing wrong, and I will just I will change it. I will just take it out and put it in the same. Like
Wow.
this is red color, and if I put this in yellow, so I will take that red again and I will put it in red.
Oh, wow. You are able to find the difference very quickly. That is really nice. Good job. And how about your studies? Your writing, your coloring, your reading.
It's nice, ma'am.
It's nice. Are you able to do it very fast, very quickly?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
And I
good.
can read half books also very quickly.
Oh my God, you're reading books very quickly. Very good. See, you are sharing lot of time. Am I right? Instead of spending hours together to learn something, 1 hour, 2 hours. So you complete your studies in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe half an hour, and you have lot
Yes,
of
ma'am.
time to play for yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Very nice, very nice. Let's clap for Tanisha. Good job. Good job. We appreciate you. We all want you to use your powers in your studies. So you will be doing anything very quickly. You can learn very quickly. You can remember for a long time. You don't take much time to understand any new concept. It makes your life very easy and simple. Am I right? Yeah. All the best, Tanisha.
Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
job.